first point we collect. So we move to here. You see here? This is the first point. So you move to the second point and then collect. And then, so we have to jump from one side, jump to another side. So here, from the jumping space, from the jumping place, we don't need laser. So we have to disable the laser in here. Okay. Then we move the point to here. And then we need to enable the laser here. Then collect the space, move, collect the space, okay. Combine. Simulation. Now when you set the parameter, please set the 20. Because the metal sheet is a little bit not too thick, so we set the power, the DAC power, which is for the laser output power. So use 20%. All right. Okay. See here. You can see the camera. Camera will show you the welding action. You see the two side point, two lines. One line here, one line here. So it's the same way if you want to weld in here, here, here. We just add two more lines here. So the laser can weld in 4 sides. So if you want to weld in the curve, so we need to draw the curve from here, 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 here. So we should according to the object and then draw the curve from the software. So we have to select the curve point. Select the teach mode. Select the teach mode. Then select the curve. The curve here. Curve. Okay. Then we have to make the object, keep the object in here. This is the place that we want to weld in. We want to weld from here, 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 here. Okay. So before we weld it, we have to find the curve case and find the focal point as well. So use the X, Y, Z to find the focus point. So the start point will be here, the red dot here. And you will see here the camera. From the camera you can see this is autofocus. This is autofocus. So we have to